Hello everyone, so in this tutorial I want to show you how you can convert your JPEG, JPEG PNG file to a PDF format. So the tools we will be using is ilovepdf.com. So you can see you can do a lot of things here. You can match PDF, split PDF, compress PDF, PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, edit PDF, PDF to JPEG, JPEG to PDF, sign PDF, watermark, rotate PDF, HTML to PDF, unlock PDF, protect PDF, organize PDF, PDF to PDF/A. So repair PDF, page numbers, scan to PDF. So a lot of stuff you can do here. So let me just go over to what we need to do today. That's PNG or JPEG to PDF. Where is it? Okay, this is JPEG to PDF. Just click on it. Then you select the JPEG images. So you select the JPEG image you want to convert to PDF. Convert to PDF.